Artificial intelligence. It sounds fancy, right? But don't let the name intimidate you. AI is all around us, and it's not as complicated as it seems, but it's simpler than you think. Imagine a computer program that can learn and make decisions like we do. It's like having a digital brain that processes information and adapts over time. That's AI in a nutshell. It's a system designed to mimic human intelligence and behavior. It learns from data, just like we learn from experiences. The more it interacts with data, the better it gets at understanding and predicting outcomes. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. Think of it as a student who gets better with more practice and study. AI is about making machines think, learn, and solve problems, just like humans. It's like giving a machine the ability to reason and make decisions. Now you might be thinking of robots taking over the world. Those sci-fi movies have certainly left an impression. Don't worry, we're not there yet. AI today is far from those dramatic scenarios. AI today is more about helpful tools, not sci-fi scenarios. It's about making our daily lives more convenient and efficient. Think of it as having a super smart assistant by your side, ready to help with everyday tasks. From setting reminders to answering questions, AI is there to assist. From finding information to getting things done faster, AI is here to make our lives easier. It's like having a personal helper that never sleeps, always ready to lend a hand. You might be surprised to know that AI is already a part of our lives. It's not just a futuristic concept, it's here and now, seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. Remember those personalized recommendations you get while shopping online? That's AI at work. It analyzes your browsing habits and purchase history to suggest items you might like. Ever used a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa? Yep, that's AI too. These smart assistants can set reminders, play music, and even control your smart home devices. AI is powering many things we use daily, often without even realizing it. From our smartphones to our cars, AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. From filtering spam emails to suggesting the fastest route home, AI is there, working tirelessly in the background to enhance our experiences. AI is silently working in the background. It processes vast amounts of data to make informed decisions, helping us in ways we might not even notice. These smart algorithms analyze massive amounts of data to provide us with personalized experiences. They learn from our behavior and adapt to our preferences. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your preferences and anticipates your needs. Whether it's scheduling your day or reminding you of important tasks, AI has got your back. Remember those movie suggestions on Netflix? That's AI analyzing your viewing habits to recommend shows and movies you'll love. You can thank AI for that. It's constantly learning and improving to make our lives more enjoyable and convenient. Ready to put AI to work for you? There are plenty of user-friendly AI tools available. Take voice assistants, for instance. Just ask Siri or Alexa to set reminders, play your favorite music, or even control your smart home devices. How cool is that? Then we have those amazing recommendation systems used by platforms like Amazon and Spotify. They suggest products, music, and movies based on your past choices. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your taste better than you do. These are just a few examples of how AI is simplifying our lives. So, why should we care about AI? It's a question that many people are asking as technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace. Well, simply put, it makes our lives easier and more efficient. AI can handle repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. Imagine getting things done faster, having more free time, and being able to spend that time with loved ones or pursuing hobbies. AI helps us make smarter decisions by providing personalized experiences and recommendations. From automating mundane tasks to enhancing our daily lives, AI is changing the way we live, work, and play. It's revolutionizing industries from healthcare to entertainment, making everything more accessible and enjoyable. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily routines. Embracing AI is not just about keeping up with the times, it's about unlocking a world of possibilities and potential. It's about enhancing creativity, driving innovation, and building smarter cities. The opportunities are endless. So take the leap and explore the exciting world of AI. Dive into the future and see how it can transform your life. You might be amazed at what you can achieve with a little help from your new digital sidekicks. The possibilities are truly limitless.